If you look at Allure report and go into installation and look for the install report for Windows, we can install it from an archive. We get the latest version or any version that you want from GitHub. So download the zip and extract. I did mine with 2.21. So if I come into my here, I actually put them in the root and Allure and bin, right click for Windows and get copy address as text. Then it's a matter of setting it as the environment variable. So if I come into settings, environment variables, click on here. If I open up, let's cancel that because that's where they were before. If I click on environment variables and I come into path, edit, and add a new version, which was basically this, and add the path to it, that'll link up your Allure so you won't get that error command let not found. Click OK, click OK, click OK. And as we have seen in our reporting with PyTest with Eric, we were able to run that report. And I'll put a link here in the PyTest Cookbook for that video.